Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. From the past several days I was thinking of buying a lamp for my computer table. So I was going through with the amazon.sa and I found a desk lamp which I ordered it, and now I have received the parcel from amazon.sa. So be with me, let's start the unboxing of this LED desk lamp which is from TaoTronics. Important announcement for all of you, watch this video till end as I will be sharing the discount code by the end of this video or maybe in between the video, so watch it full. With the help of this discount code you can avail 20% discount if you purchase this product. The link is available in the description, but the discount coupon I will inform you during my video. So be with me and let's start. LED desk lamp. It is perfect for eye curing table lamp from TaoTronics. So let's start the unboxing of this LED desk lamp which I recently received from Amazon SA. Amazon SA, it is an online market. Now it is available in Saudi Arabia. So I found this desk lamp which is perfectly matching my requirement. So I request online and I received this LED desk lamp. So now we are going to unboxing this desk lamp and then we try to review it in front of all of you. It's a beautiful packing, beautifully available all the instruments and everything. And this is first of all we are checking this power adapter, and it is a 3-pin plug which is compatible for our electricity. It's totally compliance basically, and it is a beautiful lamp, you can say, attractive. It's a user guide inside, and the warranty card is also available here along with all the instructions and contact numbers and social media contacts available. Inside there is one cloth available for cleaning of this beautiful product. So let's see, we will check the different features. Basically it is very flexible and easily you can adjust wherever you want, and you can perfectly spotlight wherever you want, tilt the head up to 135 degrees and swivel 90 degrees. The base tilts down to 150 degrees and swivels 45 degrees. So it is perfectly flexible. You can move it wherever you want, and wherever you want to spot your light you can easily spot it. And this light is as per the description it is mentioned there, that this LED lights is flicker free and it is perfect for us. So let's see, it is kind of operation, how to operate the lamp. It is kind of you can see it is a touch panel, and by this touch panel you can power on, power off, and whatever the light intensity you require you can manage it easily. So first of all we can check all this, explore this all product item which is found very beautiful. The quality is very high, and the power cord area, and it is a front desk panel for this is operating panel which is touchable. You can touch the power on and touch the power off. So you can tilt it wherever you want up to 45 degree or 90 degree angle, and tilt down wherever you want. So it is completely adjustable. Very easy, flexible, and perfect for me. I need such kind of table lamp since a long time, and fortunately I found it. I'm lucky to found it. So now it is we connected with the power, and this red LED is indicating it is power available. So we just touch the panel and this power is on, and it gives me 5 different modes of lamp shades, LED shades. So let's see how we can operate and how we can change the different modes of shades. Just touch here and you can find different type of modes. The brightness level is available up to 7 levels, and you can easily adjust wherever you want. It is again it's a touchable. Just switch on and now you can touch wherever the level you want and try to increase, decrease by your touching the fingertip. So it's also the big facility available here. Suppose that you last time it is memorize it the what level last time you switch off. So again whenever you switch on, it will again goes to the same brightness level. If suppose that you put it on the higher side and then switch off, when you come again next time and try to open it on it again, it will directly goes to the full light as last time available. The best feature available here is also a USB charging port. So along with this LED lamp, you can also avail the facility of USB charging port. So you can charge your mobile or any other device you want to make it, plug it here with a USB and get it chargeable. So it's an amazing device and I recommend it to all of you. Thanks a lot.